Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including daily food hauls, weekend food hauls, weekly food hauls, B&M hauls, TK Maxx hauls, Boots hauls, Superdrug hauls, and I also do beauty box unboxings. As you can see, today's unboxing is a beauty box and it's the April edition of Glossybox. So I will show you everything that is in this month's box. So the first item in the box is I Call London Fat Liquid Eyeliner in black. On the card it says, I Call London Fat Liquid Eyeliner. Remember the big bold lines that Brigitte Bardot rocked in the 50s, Twiggy in the 60s and Kate in the 90s. The it girls all over the decade have shown us that a heavy liner never goes out of fashion. Recreate all of the looks with this smudge-proof fat liquid eyeliner. Tag Glossybox UK to share your winged beauty with us. Retail price £16. I've had one of these before that I got in a beauty box a long time ago, and it is very, very thick. As you can see, it is very thick. The next item is Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder with Matte Effect. On the card it says, Matte Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. Move over with banana powder. There's a new celebrity on the scene. Introducing rice powder, a combination of mica and rice starch which gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bag must-haves, as it's the perfect makeup setter, instantly absorbing oil, setting foundation and lipstick without the cakey look. Top tip, press the powder on your skin while your foundation is still wet with a flat brush or powder puff. Retail price £9.35. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm very intrigued to try it. As you can see, there is a lot of products in there. I do use a loose powder anyway, so this is something I would probably buy. So this is a Glossybox angled brush. What do you call a glossy box when it contains a limited edition branded makeup brush? An amazing glossy box. This angled brush in our signature pink, of course, is the ideal tool to use on your lips, eyes or brows. Create bold brows or define the peaks and curves of your lips with the smooth yet firm bristles, enabling you to control and perfect your timeless look. Retail price £5.50. I mean, I don't know if I would ever use this, but something different. We can never have too many makeup brushes. So this is the Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. Baked Blush in light beige. From the bold and daring blush of the 80s to the natural look we're sporting now, we've come a long way, thank goodness. Say hello to this incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights every complexion to give a catwalk inspired glow. The luxurious pressed powder and micronized colour pigments deliver sheer and natural radiance that lasts all day. And it's a Glossybox early exclusive, launch day yet to be released. Looks really nice and I like the colour. The final item is adorable because I love unicorns, and it is the Imperial Leather Unicorn Marshmallow Foam Burst Limited Edition. Discover this limited edition magical body wash infused with marshmallow extract and unicorn power, set to make you feel like you're on top of a rainbow. We love the explosion of colours on this bottle. We can't help but think of Flashdance in the 1980s. Watch the gel change before your eyes into a creamy cloud that glides across your skin like silk, making your skin feel magically soft and sparkling clean. Retail price £3.15. Mega cute, can't wait to try this. I've had I think it was lime foam burst and I didn't like it, but this is extra cute, so I hope it's good. So that's everything in this month's Glossybox. It's not the most exciting box as far as I'm concerned. I'm probably never going to use the makeup brush, but I will put it with my collection. The eyeliner I've had before, and I do prefer a thinner one, but I will still probably use it at some point. The shower gel I could pick up anytime I want, it's a cheap product. So the only thing that I'm really probably going to really enjoy is the baked blush, and I will try the powder. So it's not the most exciting as far as I'm concerned. I'm thinking of skipping a month next month and maybe trying another video. What do you think? Let me know down below what you got in your box, if you got anything different, because I've seen a different version of this box. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification, then you'll be alerted to all uploads from me in the future. Any questions, leave them down below, and there will be a matching blog post on my blog very soon. And as always, my blog is linked in the description bar. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.